Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thanks for watching that earwax removal video today. As we say here in Wales, a little dutty one for you today. Dutty just means small. So you can see we've got a very wet, mushy type of earwax here. You can see patients used a really aggressive wax softener. I can see that for two different reasons. First of all, the wax is super mushy, like a pea soup. And secondly, there's a bit of irritation, a bit of redness to the canal walls. You get that a lot when you use a peroxide or a bicarbonate drop here. You see lots of squelchy wax and lots of liquid behind it as well. They've got this initial plug. It's been a bit bleached as well from those drops that have gone in. Just lightened that material up a little bit. There we are, just giving this a little bit of a wiggle. We've got to get it out to the ear canal here. Don't forget, guys, we are posting more videos. They are shorter, but you've got more videos per week now, you lucky people, while all the building work's going on here at clinic. So you can see this big plug coming away here. Now, if you have a look beyond, this is mushy and really just not looking good at all. There's wet wax all over the eardrum. Perfect candidate for irrigation, this one. So that's what we did. We did use a little bit of irrigation on this patient. Look at the difference, though. Look at it here compared to when we irrigate. You can see that mushy wet wax everywhere. Look at it post irrigation. There you go. You can see a very squeaky clean ear canal there. All that mush is gone. So we are just over half a centimetre. Oh my goodness, what is that top one there? I've even got easy read rulers. Quarter of an inch. I'm going to go with on that one, guys. So don't forget, we are posting more videos. Make sure you hit that bell notification if you're watching this on YouTube, and that way then you get notified every single time you post a new video. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves, take care of your ears, and take care of one another. I'll see you again real soon. Bye, everyone.